This is gonna be a different video from what I usually make, interrupting the Baldi series, funny Gmod shit. I found something in Pillar Chase 2 that I think the world should see. I think a lot of people have noticed it, but I haven't really seen anyone make videos on it. But there's like an Easter egg kind of in the Pillar Chase lobby, and it just take a look. Okay, so I'm recording this now because I don't know what the fuck is happening. I'm probably gonna explain it in like an intro of sorts, like a quick one. But there's laughing in the Pillar Chase lobby. It's strange. Also, I've noticed that in private servers, it's a lot more bright in here. I'm just gonna stand around here waiting for something to happen or a noise to play. Yeah. Probably gonna cut around in the footage to the parts where it actually happened. Right there. Did you hear that? Is there something outside the lobby? God damn it, let me up! Let me up! There we go. I can't clip my camera out of the map, but whatever. It's still no feedback. What map should I vote for? Just with the bridge. Right there. There. I think I'm gonna get like maybe one more. And I'm gonna stop, but I think that's enough. But yeah, it's really strange. There it was. Last one. Alright. Time to get editing! So there could be multiple explanations for this, such as it just being a simple Easter egg to creep you out, or like teasing something, like a new monster. That is what I believe. I think it could be teasing either an original monster or um, Agatha from Dark Deception and being added, which would be pretty cool. I'll put up some comparisons. Yeah. pause. Last one. All right. Time to get editing.